In this video, friends, I will share with you how to embed Calendly calendar to cart website. So, friends, all you have to do, go to your Calendly and choose any event from here. For example, this one, and click this add to website. For example, I choose this one. Click add to website, and then click inline embed. Click continue. As you can see here, you can manage your this website embed codes. You can choose a color from here. You can edit your color, and you can click to this one, hit copy banner, and then click copy code. After that, go to your website of cart dashboard and choose this plus icon. From the plus icon, guys, choose the link, and you can add this link from here. All you have to do, choose this plus icon and click embed. On this case, guys, I don't have premium plan, just I have free plan. You can add it by purchase this plan and click copy your link from embed option. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content. So, guys, you can manage all your codes from here. You can manage your text colors, your background, and then copy your link from here and go to cart website, click plus icon, and then you can add it easily from here. Thanks for watching this video.